Okay, March 24th, the aftermath. Beautiful day here today. Look at that monster. I'm guessing it's probably about 20 inches. Just did a little shoveling. Of course I gotta keep this clean so I can cook. Little bird feeders, you hear the birds. You can see how much snow just from the top of the Jeep. Good little shoveler. Jake had an issue going to the bathroom, but he managed. Yeah, look at the Jeep. Get a good idea. I have some 4x8 sheets of plywood over the generator. It's not hooked up, but give you an idea how much snow we got. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Yeah, that's what we got. Beautiful here. Jake. 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 Look how high up that is. You can see most of the firewood's gone, although there's some left. Just make it blue sky today. Well, spring's coming. This week is going to be in the 40s, so probably a lot of this will go. But normally, this would happen in November, and it would stay like that till April. This year we were really lucky, thankfully. I'll later on see if I can put this in four-wheel drive and back down and get down to the driveway. Alright, well this is just a little shorty. Get down that driveway later. I clean off the Jeep. Okay, well until next time, God bless.